They took their life to please with a grin, blind to the chaos and boiling within. In their cozy bubbles, they smugly reside, to give facts like cherries, fled in true slide. All the valiant centrists, warriors of the land, cluelessly they wander in an empty hand. Settlers dance with Gaza's rue-stained ground, where they ask where we when it all went down. Masters of the middle, balancing on a pin, dodging every fact that doesn't fit their spin. With rhetoric so empty, logic picture thin, they played a part in this monster trudging in. All the valiant centrists, warriors of the land, cluelessly they wander in an empty hand. Settlers dance on Gaza's rue-stained ground.